Hello guys, I am Denis and today I will show you some of the basic operations with variables in C#. First we have to create a project for this. New project, search for console app, come here, next, and we'll call it second project. So we create it now. Okay, first we have to create a variable, give it a name and a value. We will use for this example a variable for whole numbers, so it is int. We will call it a, for example, and its value will be 6 or 7 or whatever you want. Okay, so to add or multiply, divide two numbers, we have to have two numbers. So we add another one called b with value of 10. Okay, so to add them together and print them, we will use console dot write in the right line I plus b. This will print us 15. Okay, here it is, 15. So we can multiply, we can divide, and we can see the remainder of the dividend. So if for example we want to multiply them, we replace the plus sign with okay, I copy that and replace it with a star sign. So this is for multiplication. First one we will do it like this. So we can know which is which. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, it is right. Okay, 15 is adding, and multiplying 5 by 10 is 50. So good. Now if you want to divide them, we will use the slash sign. By the way, if you don't know what this dollar sign is for and how I write these things, and if you missed the lesson for creating the variables, you can check it out down below. Okay. In our case, b is bigger than a, so we will divide like this. And what we got is 2. Okay, the program is right for now. Now, to get the result only of the remainder, we will use the percent sign. So, remainder. Okay, so this should print us 0. Okay, that's the 0. If we have 11, it should print us 1, okay? And for 2, it should be 2. Okay, yes, that's it. So basically, this is for this lesson. You can also use the strings. Okay. Okay, bread milk. Now if you use the plus sign without this, oops. It is bread milk but without space. So we can add here space and yes, it prints out like this. For characters it's the same as the string. For double and for double is the same. So if we have double A, double 5.4. Okay, that's summing, that's adding the two numbers, that's multiplying them, and that's what we get by dividing them. And that's the remainder. So that was for this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.